No! Want to learn how to clean rock tumbling barrels? Let's go! If you've ever wondered, do I need to clean my rock tumbling barrels? The answer is yes. Clean barrels are crucial because if you get any of this grit into the next stage, you're going to scratch the rocks, especially the polish stage. Yes! If you have extra barrels, then you don't really need to do this. You can dedicate a barrel per stage. All right, you don't need many tools. A soft brush. Yes, that's a toothbrush. Mild detergent. Dawn is a really good one. And a soft towel to dry them off with. Or you can air dry. Which is probably what I'll do because I live in a hot climate. And water. Water. Disclaimer, don't put these in the dishwasher. Yeah, because you're going to ruin your dishwasher eventually with this grit that hardens over time. And your plumbing. Please do this outside, or if you have a basement, you can do this in a bucket. And make sure not to use any harsh chemicals. No! Because they could damage your barrel. Now it's time to clean. We don't need much soap in here, just a little drizzle. Like that, a little bit of water. And we get to scrubbing. So you want to make sure that you get in here and get all of this grit and slurry out. It doesn't take very long, but you just want to make sure that it doesn't get to the next stage. Got to make sure you wash the outside too, because you don't want your tumbler to get so dirty over time that it starts slipping on the shaft bearings. Inspection time. That looks pretty good. You also want to check to see if there's any cracks. Crack attack! Starting. This one's pretty new, so there's not going to be. It's also very durable, like most of them are. You don't want any of the grit or slurry to get stuck in any cracks. So it's good to inspect these. Oh, I still got soap on here. All you have got to do is wipe them off and make sure that they're all nice and dry. This part doesn't matter, it's on the outside. But look how much cleaner that is. I don't see any grit or slurry that could cause issues. This stuff on the outside, I mean, there's going to be some on the outside, but it's the inside that matters the most. So after you've got it all dried off and clean, we'll pretend like that's all dry. You want to close it up. You want to make sure to keep the dust and any particles in the air out of it, so you can use it for next time. So there we go. We got one clean. Let's do the rest. Yes, much better. No grit, no slurry, no cross-contamination to the next tumble. We're good to go. So let's get this dried off. By the way, you want to make sure to check the seal as part of your maintenance and cleaning. Make sure it's got a good tight grip. Get a grip! Woo! When they're new, they've got a good grip. So this is a good example. You don't want any of that slurry and grit to pop out and ruin your tumble. And that's it. You're done. Woohoo! Woohoo! A cucaracha, a cucaracha.